Hey everyone, it's your friend Rashid, and today we're going on an adventure to the heart of Haiti. We're going to check out the top 10 cities you absolutely have to see. Get ready to explore cities full of history, where you can still see old buildings and feel the spirit of the past. From the exciting capital of Port-au-Prince to the artistic city of Jacmel, get ready for amazing beaches, hidden waterfalls, and a culture so awesome it'll blow you away. Fasten your seatbelts everyone, because it's about to get real. First stop, we're going straight to Port-au-Prince, the heart and soul of Haiti. You'll find everything here, from famous places like the National Palace to the busy Iron Market, where they sell almost anything you can think of. The art in Port-au-Prince is incredible, with colorful paintings and detailed metal sculptures. Everywhere you go in Port-au-Prince, you can feel the strength and spirit of the people. Next, we're traveling back in time to Cap-Haïtien, a city in northern Haiti that's like a historical treasure chest. Walking through the streets of Cap-Haïtien is like walking through a museum that's come to life. And then, there's the Citadelle Laferrière, the biggest fort in the Americas, sitting high on a mountain and looking over the city. Believe me, the view from up there is mind-blowing. Get ready to be creative because we're going to Jacmel, the artistic soul of Haiti. This city by the sea is a dream come true for artists and art lovers, with brightly colored buildings covered in murals and galleries, showing off the amazing talent of Haitian artists. Imagine parades bursting with colors, costumes even fancier than Rio's carnival, music that makes you want to dance, and energy that's impossible to resist. Jacmel is a party for your senses. Calling all beach lovers and sun worshippers. Our next destination is Les Cayes, a beach paradise where you can chill out, relax, and soak up those Caribbean vibes. Imagine yourself lying on perfect beaches, the blue-green water gently touching your feet, a refreshing drink in your hand. You can also hop on a boat and go to Île Vache, an island nearby that's famous for its secret beaches and relaxed atmosphere. It's the perfect getaway from the everyday hustle and bustle. Get ready for a history lesson everyone, because we're going to Gonaives, the birthplace of Haitian independence. This is where, in 1804, Haiti made history by becoming the first black republic in the world to gain its freedom. This city reminds us that even when things are incredibly tough, freedom is always possible. Now we're off to St. Marc, a busy city that shows you what everyday life is like in Haiti. This is where you can really experience the local culture, walk through lively markets full of fresh food and handmade crafts, and maybe even try to get a good deal while shopping. It's a city that mixes the old and the new in a really cool way, giving you a unique and authentic experience. Calling all nature lovers. Our next stop is Hincha, a city surrounded by the amazing natural beauty of central Haiti. Get ready to be amazed by green landscapes, rolling hills, and hidden waterfalls just waiting to be discovered. It's the ideal place to connect with nature and escape the city noise. Ahoy there, mateys! We're sailing to Port-de-Paix, a city by the sea that used to be a hangout for pirates. This is your gateway to Tortuga Island, a legendary pirate hideout back in the 1600s. Port-de-Paix is the perfect place to unwind, soak up the sun, and maybe even pretend to be a brave pirate. Our journey takes us to Mirabelais, a city known for its dedication to healthcare and education. Here you'll find the University Hospital, a modern facility that provides excellent medical care to the people of Haiti. It shows the strength and determination of the Haitian people to build a better future. Last but not least, we're stepping back in time to Petit Goâve, one of the oldest cities in Haiti. This place is full of history and tradition, with buildings from the colonial era, old churches, and a rich culture that's been passed down for generations. It's a true taste of Haiti. And there you have it everyone, the top 10 cities you absolutely must visit in Haiti. We've laughed, we've learned, and we've been amazed by how beautiful it all is. Haiti is a country that will surprise you, challenge you, and stay in your heart long after you've left. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, book your tickets, and get ready to experience the magic of Haiti for yourself. Until next time, keep exploring.